Hi guys, in this video, we will show you how to add pages on Shopify. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, search for Shopify on your Google. Click to open the official website of Shopify. Once it is open, click on the online store. Here, you'll see the option of pages. Click to open it. Now, you need to open Add Page on your top right. After that, add the page title, whatever you want to write. Then, you'll need to type the content of the page. You can also change the visibility of the page. Select the date from which you want your page to be visible. After that, select the theme template to default page. Once it is all done, a URL will be generated. You can share your page by sharing this URL. Click on Save. Your page has been created. Go to Pages. You will find your created page here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.